Hello and welcome, I'm Viv. Today we're going to be learning about the present continuous tense. So let's have a go. Before we start learning, what you need is two things. I have two things in my toolbox for you. The first thing is this table. Have a look. Basically, you just need to learn these. These are the conjugations of the to be verb. It shows you which to be verb is, am, or are goes with which subjects. I, you, he, she, it, and they. The second thing in my toolbox is this word, present participle. That's simply the verb plus ing. Eat plus ing, eating. That's the present participle. Okay, so now you have those two things. Let's get started. The present continuous can actually be used for 5 different situations in English. Today we're going to talk about 2. In the next video, we'll talk about the other 3. The first use of the present continuous is to talk about something happening right now, in this moment. Dring, 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 dring. Hi, what are you doing? Well, I'm eating now. Can I call you back later? Okay, so the person on the other side of the phone is eating, and it's happening right now. The second situation, which we can use the present continuous, is kind of for a temporary situation that is happening in your life. It doesn't have to be happening right at this very moment. So for example, I'm reading this great book. It's How to Learn English in 50 Days. Obviously, I'm not reading it right at this very moment, but it's an ongoing, temporary situation in my life. So how is the present continuous formed? Well, it's quite simple. We need the subjects, I, you, he, she, it, or they, plus the to be verb, am, is, or are, and then the present participle. So let's take an example. The family are eating. The family is the subject, are is the to be verb, and eating is the present participle. That is an example of the first case we use the present continuous tense. Let's take an example of the second situation we use the present continuous tense. He is Chinese, but he is learning English. Or he speaks Chinese, but he is learning English. He is the subject, is the to be verb, and learning is the present participle. That's our second case because it's a temporary situation. He's not learning English right at this very moment. It's happening, it's an ongoing thing in his life. Okay, good. How have you gone? Now it's your turn. I'm going to show you a picture. See how many sentences you can think of in the present continuous tense. Ready? Go. How did you do? Did you come up with many present continuous sentences? I came up with a few. The couple are having a picnic. The man is pushing the pram. She is sitting on a yoga mat and she is typing on her computer. Write your answers in the chat box below. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you need more practice, there's a PDF in the description below. It includes the toolbox and some sentences to practice in the present continuous tense. Okay, that's all for now. Bye.